A very good evening to you and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. The Bank of Jamaica BOJ says it will be launching a coin drive in coming weeks to help alleviate the coin shortage being experienced over the past few weeks. Last month, operators of the north-south leg of Highway 2000 resorted to rounding off toll fees in an effort to deal with the shortage. Facing Parliament's Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, the PAAC, this week, the BOJ announced that the shortage was being caused by persons hoarding or not being able to cash in their coins. They say an order for new coins has also been made.
We expect normal supplies of coins to resume by June, and that we're taking steps to ensure that it doesn't recur, A, by collecting coins which people are hoarding or just putting down. We call it lost in circulation, and have those coins on hand for reissue.
Considering the cost of implementing the coin drive, however, PAAC member Fitz Jackson insists that licensed financial institutions may be the cause of the shortage and so should be mandated to facilitate the drive.
Not taking coins over and above certain quantities.
Or charging a fee.
Without charging a fee, which serves as a disincentive for persons to go to the banks to change out their coins, yes, which is incurring a cost to you. So the easy way, don't contract anybody. You give a directive to the Bank of Jamaica that all licensees of yours are required to collect coins without charging any fee. And you see how much more coin you get, and you don't have to place any more order for any more coins. And no, people don't have to pay any more increase or round it up toll charges at the toll booths.
The US dollar was selling for a record high of $130.46 at the end of trading today. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $96.19. The pound sterling costs $168.22, while the euro is selling for $144.44. Finance Minister Odeshaw says he's expecting up to $36 billion in investment flows from insurance companies. The money has been freed up because of the reduction in minimum capital test for insurance companies for a period of 2 years. The Financial Services Commission, FSC, which regulates insurance companies, reduced the requirement from 250% to 150% of the entity's capital base. The price of oil ended slightly higher in Thursday's trading. Oil for delivery in June ended the day selling for $49.35 a barrel. It is up 28 cents from yesterday. And trading on the Jamaica Stock Exchange ended the day with the main index down more than 3,928 points. The junior market index, that lost 42 points. The winners of the day, they included Blue Power Group, Carb Cement, Dermond Trading, the JMB Group, Kingston Wharves, Spurs Investments, and T-Tech. On the losing end were AMG Packaging and Paper, Caribbean Producers, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Producers, Jetcon, the NCB Financial Group, the Scotia Group, and Supreme Ventures. And that's the Business Day. I'm Dwayne Burbick. Good evening.